Another hospital in our area is reporting a surge in the number of RSV cases it's treating. Cape Fear Valley Medical Center in Fayetteville says its pediatric ward is filled with children with RSV. WRAL Fayetteville reporter Gilbert Bays was at the hospital this afternoon as the flood of potential patients poured in.
Well, obviously, they're not going to let us in the emergency room, but we're told it's packed in there. I have spoken with a mother who just came out and says she's got 3 kids at home and she has one here right now, and she hopes that child does not have RSV. Kiana Boone is hoping her 4-year-old son doesn't have RSV, but she says he has all the symptoms.
The fevers, the coughing, fatigue, like they don't want to eat at all.
Boone says she's been able to break her son's 102-degree fever, but she's here at the hospital just to make sure. Dr. Michael Zappa runs the ER. He says patients are evaluated. Then the most severely ill get top priority. Others have to wait.
If you're coming in just because child had a fever yesterday and you've noticed a little bit of nasal congestion, it could be a couple hours.
Zappa says the hospital's ER is seeing about 150 patients a day, 40 of them seeking treatment for symptoms of RSV. The virus is hitting children the hardest, with 80% of those admitted to the hospital testing positive. Zappa says RSV, the flu, and COVID-19 cases are overwhelming the ER.
So it's really this, triple-demic that I think we may be at risk for as we move forward into this winter season. A good majority of the children with RSV get to go home. The ones that need to be admitted because, their breathing is labored and they're required to be on oxygen.
Which brings us back to Kiana Boone, who's waiting to see a doctor with her 4-year-old and her fingers crossed.
Hopefully he doesn't have it. We're still waiting to be seen, though.
So RSV has arrived earlier than expected this season, and doctors say things are going to get worse before they get better. In Fayetteville, Gilbert Bays, WRAL News.
Dr. Zappa says when possible, parents should take their children to their pediatrician to try to avoid long waits at the ER.